Eric, will you tell me in one or two sentences what it is that you do and where in the electronics life cycle your work fits in?
Yeah, so we're with phone LCD parts. So very simple. What we do is we sell phone LCD parts. So we supply a lot of the repair people in the United States with their parts to do repairs.
What is it that you do? You do the selling?
Yeah, so for me, I'm on the sales team.
Okay.
So I've been in the industry about 14 years. So I've operated a repair shop. We have a mastermind every week for repair shops. So I'm kind of more interested in how do repair shops make money? How can we help facilitate that? Obviously through parts. We give them good discount on parts. We give them reliable parts, and we have really good shipping. So that's how we get it into their hands. But I'm directly involved on the sales team, trying to build more relationships with repair shops.
Okay. Are you guys involved at all in the secondary? I know you're involved in the secondary market, so you're supplying parts. But I guess on the side of these LCD parts, do they ever come back to you?
Yeah, so I actually got my start doing recycling. So to this day, I'm still a screen buyer. So what we do is we recycle the cracked LCDs and then we send them back to China, and it goes through that life cycle. So I'm pretty intimate with where all these repair shops, they'll send it to a hub here in the United States, and then we ship it to Hong Kong. And then after Hong Kong, it will probably go to mainland China. Vietnam's doing some remanufacturing there. But, you know, how are we involved with secondary? Phone LCD parts also does the buyback. So, you know, after we sell the parts in the United States, every shop has probably 30 to 50% of every repair they do. They have a sellable, recyclable part for that.
Okay. And it's no secret that LCD parts contain various critical minerals. How do you address with your customers and your clients the environmental impact of what you're doing and what you're supplying?
I mean, for us, I guess one of the things we do is we post on our website the buyback values of those parts. And the cool thing about LCD is even broken screens have value. So luckily, this whole industry, phone LCDs and OLEDs, are very recyclable. I think we're in a very good industry where just the finances behind it facilitate that. Like, I've always been recycling. I purely got in it for money. Like, I was like, oh, I could take this for $1, sell it for $3. I think that's great, you know, because it's great for people who really care about the environment to be, oh, how can we change it? But when you have people who also just are in it to make money, it's just a lot better for the circular economy. And then if you look at just phone repair in general, making a new phone versus repairing a phone is such a different impact on the environment. So we're lucky. We're in a environment where our existence alone helps reduce the environmental impact of constantly making new phones.
Absolutely. So, is there a certain conversation that you've had with a client or customer that has influenced, or you've influenced the way that they manage or dispose or repair their devices?
Yeah, I mean, I think a recurring conversation is, what do I do with all of my batteries, right? And batteries used to have a buyback value. Batteries are super flammable. So we've had constant conversations about how do you store your batteries. And this just comes from, we're talking about buying and selling, and they'll be like, where can I sell it? Can I get a lot of money for my batteries? And that conversation usually evolves into, you can't really get anything for it. Make sure you're storing it right. And there's a lot of local places that will come pick it up, or you have to pay for it, but it's so much better to dispose of your batteries the safe way than having a dumpster fire in your repair shop.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
Thanks for watching this episode of Second Life Sessions. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. To find a repair shop near you and give your devices a second life, check out wheretorepair.org. For resources and more information, visit techcareassociation.org. We'll see you next time.